I would like to welcome everyone to a phenomenal nonprofit organization program. The program is sponsored by Jesse Lou Cable Stamps, Development of Arts. We have successfully created a program that combines all of the needed elements to make young people successful. We call it TEAMS, TEAMS, which includes technology, engineering, arts, math, and science. Jesse Lou Cable Stamps Development of Arts would like to present a phenomenal program called Science of Baseball League. This program is unlike any other youth program ever created. Stimulating the interest of baseball among young people using education and health. We would like to say congratulations to the Jackie Robinson West program for becoming the United States Little League champions. Great job. The Science of Baseball League is a program to stimulate the interest of baseball in urban areas where poor, poverty-stricken, and children that have no interest whatsoever in sports to stimulate their interest in baseball. Our goal is to turn honor roll students into baseball players and turn baseball players into honor roll students. The Science of Baseball League, it consists of 1 region, 5 divisions, 11 players per team, 55 players per division, and 275 players in the Science of Baseball League. The Science of Baseball League is based upon the principle of teams, TEAMS. Each player will receive an hour and a half of teams, which is technology, engineering, arts, math, and science, and an hour and a half of elite baseball training, which consists of agility, strength training, speed, and developing the fundamentals of baseball. Here's an example. Every student athlete in the Science of Baseball League will be furnished a home computer with internet access, and 3 days a week they will have 3 hours a day of training, an hour and a half of elite baseball training, and an hour and a half of team, technology, engineering, the arts, math, and science. There will also be tutors available to help every student athlete in other subjects that they may be having problems with. The Science of Baseball League will have many tutorials that the children can learn from, such as math and science. Here's an example of math. In 2008, the Cubs at Wrigley Field, you had 3,300,200 fans to show up. How would you write that? You would write it as 3,300,200. In 2006, the Chicago White Sox at U.S. Cellular Field had 2,957,414 fans to show up for the game. How would you write that? You write it as 2,957,414. When you look at this number, if I ask you the question, what is the numbers place for the 5? Would you know the answer? The way to find out the answer is to remember that the whole numbers go to the left of the decimal and the fraction goes to the right of the decimal. When you look at a number, the whole number is to the left, or the dollar amount, and to the right of the decimal is the fraction or the cent. Look at this number, 1,234,567. If you look at each number, you can see what place it goes in. The 1 is in the millions place, the 2 is in the 200,000 place, 3, 30,000 place, the 4 is in the 1,000 place, the 5, the hundreds place, the 6 in the tens, and the 7 is in the ones place. This is an example of science using baseball concepts. The greatest battle in baseball is between a pitcher and a batter. These two warriors meet. Everything in baseball is decided by this comeback. The pitcher must throw strikes. 3 strikes, the batter is out. 4 balls, the batter advances to first base. This is the greatest battle of baseball. The pitcher versus the hitter. It takes 100 milliseconds for the eye of the batter to see the ball and send an image to the brain. It takes 75 milliseconds for the brain to process the information and gauge the speed and location of the pitch. The batter then must decide in 25 milliseconds whether to swing or let the ball go by. It takes another 25 milliseconds to pick a swing pattern. Is the ball high, low, inside, or outside? The swing starts when the brain sends signals to the legs to start the batter's stride. The batter must have perfect mechanics. It takes at least 15 seconds to process this information. The bat must then meet the 3-inch spinning ball within an 1/8 of an inch of dead center called the sweet spot, and precisely at the right time to get a hit.